Hey there, fellow adventurers. I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we delve into a topic near and dear to my heart: solo travel safety. There's a special kind of magic in exploring the world on your own terms, but it's important to be prepared. That's why I've put together this video to equip you with the top 10 essential safety tips for solo travelers. From researching your destination to blending in and trusting your gut, we'll cover it all so you can relax and embrace the journey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your fellow travelers. Before you even think about packing your bags, let's talk about the importance of research. Imagine this: you're strolling through a bustling market, soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, but suddenly, you realize you've unknowingly violated a local custom. Awkward, right? That's why it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the local culture, laws, and potential risks of your destination. Websites like the U.S. State Department's travel advisories and Lonely Planet's Thorntree Forum are invaluable resources. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and respectful journey. Let's face it, pickpockets are an unfortunate reality in many tourist hotspots, but don't let them dampen your adventurous spirit. One of my top tips is to use a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your cash, cards, and passport close to your body. Another handy trick is to utilize your hotel safe for valuables like electronics and extra cash. And remember, a little common sense goes a long way. Avoid flashing large amounts of money and be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Picture this: you're lost in a maze of cobblestone streets, your phone battery blinking red. Not exactly the recipe for a relaxing trip, is it? Staying connected is crucial, especially when you're traveling solo. I recommend getting a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device so you can access maps, translation apps, and emergency services whenever you need them. Before you leave, jot down important numbers, like the local embassy and your hotel's contact information, just in case. Chapter 4. I know, solo travel is all about freedom and spontaneity, but trust me on this one, it's always a good idea to let someone back home know your itinerary. Share your flight details, accommodation plans, and any planned excursions with a trusted friend or family member. Make it a habit to check in with them regularly so they know you're safe and sound. Chapter 5. Now, I'm not suggesting you don a beret and fake a French accent, but remember, the less you look like a tourist, the less likely you are to be targeted by scammers or pickpockets. Try to dress like the locals do and avoid flashy jewelry or accessories that scream tourist. Chapter 6. Your gut feeling is your secret weapon when it comes to travel safety. If a situation feels off, it probably is. Don't be afraid to say no if someone makes you feel uncomfortable or pressured. Remove yourself from the situation and seek help from a trusted source, like a local shopkeeper or your hotel staff. Chapter 7. Wheels Up. Choosing safe and reliable transportation. Navigating a new city's transportation system can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be stressful. Stick to reputable transportation options like licensed taxis, official rideshare services, and public transportation. Avoid hailing rides from the street, especially at night. If you're unsure, ask your hotel or a local for recommendations. Chapter 8. Keeping a clear head. The importance of staying sober. Look, I get it. Trying new foods and drinks is part of the fun of traveling. But remember, excessive drinking can impair your judgment and make you an easy target for crime. Pace yourself, stay hydrated, and be mindful of your alcohol intake, especially in unfamiliar environments. Chapter 9. Channel your inner superhero basic self-defense tips. While I hope you never have to use them, knowing a few basic self-defense moves can boost your confidence and prepare you for unexpected situations. Consider taking a self-defense class before your trip. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with common scams and how to avoid them. Chapter 10. The safety net, the importance of travel insurance. Travel insurance is like that trusty sidekick you hope you never have to call on, but you're eternally grateful when you do. From medical emergencies to trip cancellations and lost luggage, travel insurance has got you covered. It provides peace of mind, knowing you have a safety net in case the unexpected happens. Adventure awaits. So there you have it. my top 10 essential travel safety tips for solo adventurers. Remember, your safety is paramount, and a little preparation goes a long way. By following these tips and trusting your instincts, you can relax, embrace the unknown, and create unforgettable memories. Now get out there and explore the world, one adventure at a time. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone!